Hey there, it's the Wellness Doctor, Dr. Jeffrey Clark, with this week's Wellness Tip of the Week. We asked the question, what would happen if MDs went on strike? And you may not realize that the leading cause of death in the United States has become iatrogenic injury. So basically that means doctor-induced. Now, medical doctors are certainly good people, and they're very well intentioned, but if you go to a medical doctor with a symptom, you may get a prescription medication. That prescription medication then can create changes in your body, perhaps negative changes. We talk about effects and side effects. Well, there are effects that are good and effects that are bad. And remember, the medication doesn't do the healing. The healing comes from within. All that medication can do is quiet the noisy voices inside, the pain, the other things that are going on. But let's say you take a medication and you do have a side effect and it causes something else to go haywire in the system. Then maybe you need a second medication and a third and a fourth. And these drug interactions can be very, very dangerous, killing over 100,000 people a year and injuring over 2 million. So what would happen if the medical doctors were on strike and you couldn't get medication? Well, that happened actually in Bogota, Colombia. And guess what? The death rate dropped by over 35%. That's amazing. So we don't want our medical doctors on strike. We still need first aid and life-saving procedures. But maybe we just don't need to run to the medical doctor every time we have a little boo-boo or an owie. And we don't need to think that sickness care and disease management has anything to do with healthcare or wellness. Wellness and health come from the inside out, from above down, inside out, not from the outside in, not from a pill, not from an injection, not from any type of therapy in that regard. So, what would happen if MDs went on strike? We can only guess, but it might be a good thing. Until next week, it's the Wellness Doctor saying thank you, God bless, and today, happy birthday, Brenna.